Alright, I noticed that some of us are actually making this thing difficult for all of us. Listen, if you don't have the basic knowledge about WordPress, then you really need to, I don't know how I'll put it, but it is nice to have basic knowledge on WordPress before you can do some of the things we do here. A lot of us actually install plugin in the place where you are supposed to install theme, and we bring in theme in the place where we are supposed to install plugin. Plugin is completely different from theme. Theme is completely different from plugin. So I actually suggest you wait for my course. I am actually working on an advanced course, and a lot of people are actually waiting for that course. In that course, you are going to learn from A to Z in WordPress design. You don't need to learn any coding at all. Even if there's any place that requires coding, I will actually help you to figure it out. But in that course, you are not going to learn anything coding. It is strictly from WordPress, from cPanel, file manager, a lot of things that I've included in that course, which by His grace will be out this month. So stop installing theme where you are supposed to install plugin, and stop installing plugin where you are supposed to install theme. Okay, let me show you something. I'm actually doing this video because somebody actually chatted me privately about Dokan, and also in the group I saw another complaint in the group. But the person that actually chatted me privately made me to believe that he's actually installing the plugin where theme is supposed to be installed. Dokan is not a theme. Dokan is a plugin. Please note, Dokan is a plugin. So you should install it where you are supposed to install plugin. Right? You can search for it. The first video I uploaded, I have shown you how to search for plugin. So I've already installed the free version of Dokan. You can look at it here. So I'm going to activate it. And remember, before you can install Dokan, you must install WooCommerce. If you don't have WooCommerce on your WordPress, Dokan will not work. I believe maybe that is what some of us are actually going through. Install WooCommerce, then install Dokan before they can work. Okay? So I've installed Dokan already, so I need to activate it. You can see it has been activated. Now let me install the Pro version. You can see it says it needs Pro version, but even with this free version you can actually use it and do to an extent. But there are certain things like WhatsApp, store, all those stuff you'll be able to verification, you'll be able to do it with this free version. Now let me install the Pro version. Okay, I'm going to add plugin. This is going to be the last tutorial I will do on how to install any installation if you don't understand it. Now let me install Dokan now. This is the Pro version, so I'm going to pick it. Then I'm going to click on install. You can see it has been uploaded successfully. We need to activate it, so click on activate plugin. The two plugin has successfully been installed. If you come down here, you see that the Pro is now active. Okay, so you go to setting. These are supposed to be premium tutorial, but I'm just giving it for completely free. Now imagine what you are going to get from the premium. So you can see all the menu are actually active. If they are not active, you won't see all this, like the chat button on this thing. If it's not active, you will not see it. So this is how you can actually install Dokan Pro. So I've told you the things you need. Sometimes ordinary, just simple message, error message, should be able to help you to understand what you're actually doing wrong. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you and God bless you.